The world of photography is about to hit a breaking point. For years, we've heard the same argument. Is a camera just a tool, or is it an investment in your soul? But today, the conversation is shifting. The leaks we are seeing from Wetzlar, Germany, are no longer just whispers. They are a seismic shift in the industry. If you thought the Leica Q3 was the final word in compact full-frame excellence, you are about to be proven wrong. This is the deep dive you've been waiting for. We are talking about the Leica Q4. A camera so advanced, so controversial, and so incredibly powerful that it's already causing a panic among competitors and collectors alike. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But there's a massive secret hidden in the 2026 production line, something Leica doesn't want you to know yet. Stay with me, because in the next 30 minutes, we're going to peel back the layers of the Q4, from its rumored 70-megapixel sensor to the AI-driven autofocus that's set to change street photography forever. If you're thinking about buying a Q3 right now, stop. You need to hear this first. To understand why the Leica Q4 is such a big deal, we have to look at the legacy of the Q line. When Leica first introduced the Q series, critics called it a rich man's toy. They said a fixed 28mm lens would never satisfy a professional. But then, the Q2 happened. Then the Q3. And suddenly, the world realized that Leica had captured lightning in a bottle. They created a camera that felt like a vintage mechanical masterpiece but performed like a modern supercar. But now, in early 2026, the Q3 is starting to show its age in the face of rapid AI advancements. The Q4 isn't just an update, it's Leica's answer to the future of imaging. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the sensor. The most reliable leaks from the European supply chain suggest that Leica is moving away from the 60-megapixel sensor of the Q3. The Q4 is rumored to house a brand new, custom-developed 70-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. But it's not just about the megapixels. It's about the Leica look. We're hearing reports of a new, dynamic range engine that allows for 16-bit color depth in a compact body. This would give you files that have the flexibility of a medium-format Hasselblad, but in a camera that fits in your jacket pocket. Imagine shooting a sunset in Manhattan and having the ability to recover every single detail from the shadows without a hint of noise. That is the promise of the Q4. But here is where it gets really interesting. For the first time ever, Leica is reportedly integrating a dedicated AI processor, the Maestro V. This isn't just about faster menus. This is about predictive autofocus. One of the biggest complaints about the Q series has always been the autofocus speed compared to Sony or Canon. With the Q4, Leica is allegedly using a hybrid phase detection system powered by deep learning. It won't just track an eye, it will understand the intent of the photographer. If you're a street photographer in London or Tokyo, this camera will know which subject in a crowded frame is the protagonist of your story. It's almost scary how intuitive this technology is becoming. Now, let's talk about the lens. The 28mm Summilux f/1.7 is legendary. It's widely considered one of the best lenses ever made. So, how do you improve perfection? The rumors suggest that while the focal length stays at 28mm, the internal glass elements